For the first time in McLean County, same-sex couples made their relationship official with a civil union ceremony. Stephen Harrell and Matthew Pyro waited patiently for their turn, and when they were called up, it was all smiles. This was also a first for Chief Judge Elizabeth Robb, who gave the couple her best wishes.
But I told each of the couples that by the passage of this law, they will have the same legal protections and benefits that married couples do. Just talk to, as I do with anyone.
A memory for the two that family members made sure to capture, and a traditional ring on the fingers to symbolize their unity. The couple says it's a sign of changing times, but also hope for more support.
I feel privileged that my generation doesn't have to wait as long as, say, my mother's did for it.
I know this community is not really accepting. I mean, it's for the most part a religious community aside from the colleges. So I hope that they'll embrace this and, move forward.
At the McLean County Law and Justice Center, I'm Michelle Mantell for WJBC.com.
Place the ring on Matthew's finger. I'm sorry. And say, take this ring as a symbol of my love and
Take
devotion.
this ring as a symbol of my love and devotion.
Okay, you have promised each other to love and honor each other, support each other in sickness and in health. So, by the power vested in me by the state of Illinois, I now today pronounce you life partners. Okay, excellent, wonderful.
Thank
I
you.
just need signatures and witness. Did you
We
sign?
filled out
That's
that.
fine, yes. That's
I
fine.
know he is. He was just nervous.
Here and here.
Oh.
Yeah, it's,
Really what? Don't worry about it. Nerves.
yes.
Matt, your hand is.
Sam?
Really?
Yeah, Sam.
Right there.
No smiley faces.
Oh, really?
No.
Okay. As I told the others, we'll take this over to the county clerk. It will be recorded. You'll want to order certified copies if you have not, because you'll need them for all variety of reasons. And they'll require that you pay something in advance, and then they'll mail them to you. Okay. Any questions? All right. Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Thank you. No problem. Do you guys want?
So you each will be wearing these rings as a symbol of your devotion to each other. So as you place this ring on Matthew's finger, are you ready? Okay. Stephen, do you take Matthew as your life partner?
Yes.
Will you have and hold him in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, till death do you part?
Yes.
Matthew, do you take Stephen as your life partner? To have and to hold in good times and bad, in sickness and in health, till death do you part?
Can I think about it?
Please
Yes.
do. We always like everyone to be certain.
Oh my goodness. Pay for that one.
That was
Of course.
good. Okay, let's see. Matthew, you'll place the ring on Matthew's finger, and as you do, and let me just say that a ring has a very long tradition of being a symbol of love and devotion. And I assume these are witnesses and family and friends. Okay, great. Okay, and you've been together for how long?
About 6 months.
6 months, okay. Well, this is a historic day in the state of Illinois, as you know. With the passage of the Civil Union Act, you each will be entitled to the legal obligations and responsibilities, protections, and benefits that are afforded married persons in the state of Illinois. That was a perfect picture. And then you want your...
Yep, please come
Everyone
forward.
wants to
Please
come
come
up.
forward. Yeah, I'll keep an eye on that. Things won't disappear.
Hi, Stephen. Which one is Stephen? Hi, Stephen. And you're Matthew?
Yes.
Hi, I'm Judge Rob. Nice to meet you.
Hi.
Nervous?
Yeah.
Okay. Should be. And you have rings to exchange?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's his.
This is his. Gotcha.
He wants it.
Mine's in my
This
secret
is why I
pocket
asked.
inside my pocket.
This is always why I ask ahead of time. Oh, yeah. You do need your, oh, here it is. Right, my hands. Okay. Linda? Oh, you've already signed, okay. Oh, we already did? It's all right. Oh. So, you love her in good times and bad, in sickness and in health, and death do you part. Candace, will you take woman and be your life partner? Will you have her with her in good times and bad, in sickness and in health,
Thank you, guys. Now judge turn.
Hi.
I did.
They're getting married in a few weeks.
We're getting married in 2 weeks.
Do you want to come over here so I get the background noise? Was this your first time doing this?
Yes.
I would assume?
Right,
Okay, that's neat.
right.
All right. Would you mind holding this like way high? That would be perfect. Thank you. And then you could just look at me over here. Judge Rob, tell me this, just from your perspective, how things went today. It was a historical day in Illinois. What were you saying to the couples, and just how it felt from your perspective? Obviously, a first.
Well, it's kind of nice to be involved in a first. I think I mentioned to each of the couples that because it was a historic day and that, there's a little more interest in this and more people were, I think, we doubled up on judges doing the ceremonies today so we could accommodate people. But I told each of the couples that by the passage of this law, they will have the same legal protections and benefits that married couples do. Just talk to, as I do with anyone that I marry or now officiate at a civil union, just trying to impress upon them that this is, a life commitment.
And do you feel like it was interesting for you to take part of history?
It was. And I actually knew one of the couples personally, so that was kind of nice to be involved.
I didn't realize it was Sue until she turned around too, because I've talked to her and everything.
Right,
So
yes.
that's great. Anything else you would like, misunderstandings that might be out there about the law? Anything else that you want to set the record straight about?
No, I think the law I think the statute sets forth what the law is, and if people do have questions about what their rights might be, their obligations under the law, they really should talk to an attorney about that before they make that big step.
What exactly does that? Some people have questions as to what it exactly affords. This only applies to the state, so can you just reiterate
Right.
that they can't move to another state and have it?
Well, if another state recognizes a civil commitment, that state would recognize this one. The federal laws, the federal rights do not apply to civil unions at this point because the federal like Social Security and the like only recognize married couples.
Did you ever think that you would see this moment before your eyes?
I think I probably thought at some point the law evolves with changes in society, and I think the law is responding.
Is there anything else you want to add for real this time? Thank you so much.